neutralize out of the body. Ingredients: lemon, carrots, hot water. When it comes for stroke and heart attack, lemon offers several benefits. Reduced risk of stroke and heart attack. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Consuming lemons or lemon juice regularly can help lower the risk of stroke and heart attack by protecting against oxidative damage and promoting overall cardiovascular health. When it comes for stroke and heart attack, carrots offers several benefits. Reduced risk of stroke and heart attack. Carrots are an excellent source of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and vitamin C, which can help reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, lower inflammation, and support cardiovascular health, promoting a healthy heart and reducing the chances of stroke or heart attack. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.